Jelly Babes, welcome back to my channel. So the lovely Atlanta Moonbeam put this on one of my videos in a comment, and I decided that I would do that today using these fabulous Nicole Diary sort of rhinestones or gems. This is a free pack thing that you can get, and they're all different shapes and sizes, as you can see here. And I've wanted one of these things for ages, and that is a rhinestone tool that can help you pick up the rhinestones more easily. So it is a dual-sided one, as you can see here. So this is where what you would use to pick up the rhinestones, and you kind of use this part of it to sort of push it down and make sure it stays in place. So over the black, I'm going to be applying these Born Pretty sort of Chameleon chrome powders. Over the blue, I'm going to be applying this gorgeous Chameleon glitter. It's more of a chunky glitter called Desire. So I think that this theme is amazing, to have mermaids and jewels as your theme for your wedding. So I really hope that you're happy with the design that I came up with. She wanted it to be lots of different colours and, you know, really out there with as regards nail designs go. So I thought it would be good to use like Chameleon chrome, which is what I'm showing here, because in different lights it brings out all sorts of different colours, and well, it just looks gorgeous, as you can see. Well, you can't see because it's blurred, but there you go. And to make sure this is all rubbed in and looking good, I use like a sponge, like a makeup sponge, and just sort of buff it in, really, and it just brings out that gorgeous chrome shine. So I thought it would be really fitting to get my mermaid tail brush out. This is from Glitterarty, and it is amazing at picking up glitters and applying it nice and evenly over the nail. So I thought that this one was a perfect colour and texture as well for the mermaid theme. It is super, super gorgeous. So obviously this is her wedding day, so I thought it'd be fitting that she was a mermaid princess and have a lovely crown. So I'm just going to get rid of the bits that I don't want. And this is going on the thumbnail, which looks awesome and has picked up lovely. So I'm going to be using basically out of the rhinestone wheel, I'm going to be using each of the colours. And I'm using the smallest one out of the colour. I love the sizes in this because it goes from like literally one extreme to the other, which is going to be great if you want really nice blingy looking nails. And they really, really sparkle as well, which hopefully you got to see at the start of the video. And these ones are gorgeous as well. They're a bit of a chameleon look. They change in different lights. And then you've got this one as well, which is not just silver. You might not see it on camera or not, but it's, yeah, I love all the different tones that come out in different lighting. So moving on, I'm using this gorgeous Bundle Monster collab plate with Twistar, who is an amazing YouTuber. And obviously I've got to put like a mermaid design on it, like the tail part of it. And I just think the glitter and the stamping design just go perfect for the theme. So this is the nail that I'm going to be going all out on with the bling. So I have already put like a little bit of normal like top coat on the nail, and I'm just kind of ad-libbing, really, just going with how it looks and applying all different shapes and sizes of these glitters, so it's like proper blingy. So with this one as well, you've got a square shape, which looks fab. To bring it closer, can you see how much it twinkles? And you've got like the rainbow effect coming through with the gems. Now obviously with these, you know, if you're using gel, you'd probably want to go around each rhinestone that you put on and just put like a bit of gel top coat and sort of flash cure it for like 10 seconds, just to make sure that it's going to last as long as possible on your nail. But that is the end look. Super blingy. Now for like the rainbow effect, I'm going to be using these pastel colours. And I've seen ones where they've done like lines and brought out like unicorn / mermaid look. So that's what I'm going to be attempting. So I'm just putting on some thin stripes of the colours. Freehand is not my forte. That's why I do a lot of stamping. But I'm just sort of taking my time and going with it. And actually it's a lot better than I expected it to be, so woohoo for me. But hopefully this works. I just wanted to put as many colours in as possible because that's what was requested. It kind of makes me think of, I'm going to totally get this wrong. I think, is it McFly? Or it might be Busted. I'll have to double check. Do you know the one, the girl with 5 colours in her hair? That's what this reminds me of. So I'm using a no wipe top coat on this. You want to make sure that it is completely dry before you go ahead and apply any top coat and cure underneath the lamp to avoid any sort of peeling or cracking of the polish. So I'm applying like a white unicorn powder. It didn't look as great as I expected it to, so I'm basically covering up that mess with some Chameleon flakes. Again, just to add some more texture to the nail as well. And I'm using these 2 different colours because obviously it's going to bring out different colours as the light catches it. So there you go. I'm just sort of trying to do it sparingly. I didn't want it to be completely covered by the flakes. And then I'm going to be using this gorgeous mermaid face. When it applies, like, I don't know whether this is meant to be a look, but she's like one sassy looking mermaid. Hang on, there you go. She's like, yeah, check me out, my mermaid self. So I actually just went ahead and put some, like, used a red Sharpie to colour in the hair and just put some smaller gems on the side of it. And obviously because it's wedding inspired, I thought it'd be good to have some, obviously, wedding looking design art. That doesn't even make sense, but you know what I mean. So I'm adding the 2 rings, which obviously that's what you do when you're getting married. And to add more bling, I am going to be adding just the smallest rhinestones out of this wheel, and I'm just going to sort of do it on the one nail, just because I felt like if I did it on both, you might actually lose the fact that it is meant to be 2 rings kind of like joined together. That's what happens when you get married, you get joined together. So there you go. I finished off with the pinky, sort of doing more of a blingy design. Now with gems and with any top coat really, you do not want to be going over it because it will dull the sparkle. So you kind of just want to go around it and make sure that obviously it's going to last a little bit longer. You may want to use 2 coats of top coat. So this is the end look. I am so in love with it. I love all the different colours. And yeah, the rhinestones have just made it look gorgeous. And this is how it looks outside. So you can get to see that chameleon powder even more. So I hope you like it, Atlanta. I hope it was what you were thinking of. Thank you so much for watching it this video as well. So if you're new to my channel, please press that free subscribe button so you don't miss any other videos. My social media details are here as well, and there's some other videos that you can check out. So take care, Jelly Babes, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.